Hi, I'm Cameron with Amazon Studios, and in this video we're going to cover how to create and attach a simple hanging apparatus to the Amazon Basics Portable Photo Studio. We get a lot of questions around how to hang certain types of products, especially when imaging shoes and handbags, so that's what we're going to walk you through. To do this, you'll need the following: a pair of scissors, some 10-pound fishing line, a hole punch, some type of measuring device, and some white sticky back Velcro. Don't worry, you can find a complete list in the video description. So as you can see, we have all the items spread out here on the table. First thing we're going to do is to measure out and cut 30 inches of fishing line. Next, cut 4 square pieces of Velcro. I'm making my 2 inches by 4 inches or so just to give me enough leeway to work with. Create a hole in the center of each Velcro piece using the tip of scissors, or if you want to be fancy, use a hole punch. I'm a fancy guy, so that's what I'm going to do. Next, uncover the sticky sides and thread the fishing line through the holes and press sticky side to sticky side. You should only have one hole and the line sticking out from there. Repeat this step for the other side. Alright, so now you should be ready to attach these to your box. To do that, cut 2 additional pieces of Velcro. Make them a bit bigger than what you did for the strap because, again, you'll want some wiggle room to maneuver and make things easier. Be sure you're using the opposite side Velcro piece you used for the string. So, if you're using the loop or soft side of the Velcro, be sure to stick the hard or hook sides to the box. After that, you're good to go. I'll go ahead and test this. All right, quick, simple fix that'll help elevate your product photography. Thanks for watching, and please be sure to check out our other videos.